After 70, your legs don't get weaker just because of age. They get weaker because your body is missing a key nutrient your muscles need. And without eating it daily, your legs will keep losing strength no matter how much you exercise. Most people think exercise alone is enough, but without the right fuel, your body simply can't rebuild muscle. As you age, your body becomes less efficient at using protein. Over time, this leads to muscle loss, weaker legs, poor balance, and a higher risk of falls. But here's the good news. You can reverse this by adding the right foods to your daily routine. And here are some that make a real difference. First, eggs. Eggs are one of the best foods you can eat after 70. They're packed with high-quality protein and leucine, a key amino acid that helps rebuild muscle. Just 2 eggs a day can support leg strength and recovery. They also provide vitamin D and B12, which help with muscle function and energy. They're easy to digest, affordable, and highly effective. Second, beetroot. Beetroot is a powerful food for improving blood flow. It's rich in natural nitrates that help increase oxygen delivery to your muscles. Better circulation means your leg muscles get more nutrients, helping improve strength, endurance, and reduce stiffness. Adding beetroot a few times a week can make your legs feel more active and less fatigued. Finally, fatty fish. Fatty fish like salmon, sardines, and mackerel are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which help reduce inflammation and support muscle function. They also improve how your muscles respond to protein, making it easier to build and maintain strength as you age. Eating fatty fish 2 to 3 times a week can help your legs feel stronger, less stiff, and more stable. If you found this helpful, like the video and subscribe for more simple ways to stay strong after 70.